Wednesday, everyone. Yuval's here. We just dropped off lunch at our hard money office because, we refinanced a couple weeks ago, and we, are just so appreciative of them for their support, for their knowledge, for their guidance. We had to take a 3-month extension on our loan because we went over our yearly loan, and they didn't charge us crazy. They didn't charge us any points. They just charged us the monthly charge for the additional 3 months. And then even after, because we were having issues trying to refinance and everything, so even after our loan went into default, they didn't charge us the 24% that they, that was in the contract. They just charged us, I think it was about like $250 daily, which, we got the loan closed a couple days after that, a week after that. But it's really not, not every hard money is different. It's really about the people that you're working with, and we really are just so appreciative of them always looking out for us, and when and their knowledge. And even when it's not a good deal, they will tell us it's not a good deal, and they won't take on a deal that they don't think it's good. I think as a beginner investor, I think that's just very important, to have people backing you up and be on your side and guide you towards the right decisions. So we're forever grateful for them.